How to download and install PandaVPN on Android TV. First, go to https://pandavpnpro.com. Click Free Download. Find PandaVPN and download it in Google Play. Once download completed, find PandaVPN in your applications and open it. Select Login. You can sign up with a QR code or type in your sign-in information. Click to connect. PandaVPN will automatically select a server for you. You can switch servers from here. Choose Global Mode and all traffic will be routed through VPN. You can enable split tunneling and select certain apps to use VPN, or select certain apps not to use VPN.